Welcome back to my home art studio. In today's episode, I'm going to show you some of the things I've recently made that I just put resin on, and I want to show you how beautiful they came out. If we've never met before, I'm Jane. I'm a retired grandmother. I started fluid art because I wanted something to do in my retirement, and I wanted to leave behind a legacy. So a legacy I have left behind so far. I've made all kinds of crazy things. And my family's going to have to deal with that when I'm gone. Let's just say that. But let's look at some of the things I made. So this, I resined it yesterday. So here's what it looked like as I was making it. I had this runaway marble that Lisa sent me. And I had asked if anyone wants to send me a marble, I'll make something for them. And I made this for Lisa's intention. And you can go back and watch that video if you want. But here it is. And I think I'm going to see if I can direct it this way. So here we go. I'm going to put it on and then see if I can pick it up and keep it kind of in there. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. Beneath the shadows of this quiet town. Oh, gorgeous. Whoa! Whoops. Whoopsie. Okay. The marble flew off and went under the refrigerator. But it's back. I've washed it. And let's keep going. And here's what it looks like now. Isn't this beautiful? So it's a record that I put paint on and ran a marble through. And I think it came out just absolutely gorgeous. This is going to go to Lisa. And look at the amazing colors on it. In the video, we were talking about that her intention was for children. And of course, I was just thinking, you know, our children go in all different directions. And so I wanted this to reflect that. And I think this is just gorgeous. I'm going to put it up to the camera so you can really, really see it here. I mean, look at that. The resin on it is perfect. The resin covered it completely. The colors are just spectacular. Sorry for the glare, but it's hard to have lights without a glare. But look at that. Isn't that just unbelievable? So I'm really excited. Let me turn it this way. I'm really excited that Lisa is getting this piece. Now what I will do is I will hang on the back. I'll put a hanger on so she can hang it in her home. And you can see this is an oldies but goodies record album that I made this on. Gorgeous. All right, so that's that. And this one came out so amazing too. This is a cradle board that I did. And you can see cradle board. It's, I think, 1.5 inch cradle board. I think it might be a 10 by 10. The colors on this are just beautiful. I love the look of it, all the lacing. Let me put it up to the camera so you can see it better here. Again, I think the resin covered it beautifully. Look at the colors on this. Gorgeous colors. Came out amazing. If you've been watching me make these, here's what it looked like before. Come on, this is working beautifully. Come on, you gotta make it all the way across. Just laying this white color right across really gently. Don't speed, don't speed, don't speed. I want to speed up. And then look at it now. Is that just amazing? See if we can get some of the great colors. Now when it dried really dull. But then I put the resin on and look at that. I just love, look at that. Came out amazing. You're going to want to stay tuned to the end where I show the one that I think is the very best. But I do love this one too. Now this one, again, let me show it to you as I was making it. Here it is. I love how it looks like a flower to me going up the side. This is beautiful. But really, you could hang this any way. It is just beautiful. Maybe this way. I mean, oh, I do love that too. I think I would go with this way. That is great. Beautiful. This came out amazing. And you see the sparkle in it? There's a lot of other colors showing, which is really what I was going for. Beautiful. All right. So, okay, so I'm not to the last one yet. You're going to want to stay tuned for the last one. But I do love this one too. Again, another record that I painted on. I have 70 videos in the series, I think, of records I've painted on. And you can see going all the way back to when I was learning how to paint on records till now, where I'm much better at it. It's a learning curve, and I do try to teach it. But this is a United Artists record that's scratched up, and so I painted on it, and then I resined it. And I just think this, again, came out amazing. Let me put it up to the, first let me show you what it was like painting on it. Here it is. And now here is the finished. Again, like, wow, look at the color and the sparkle in it. I'm going to turn it a little bit so you can see it from different angles. I'm going to put this up on my website. It'll go on my, up for sale. It's beautiful. Wow. I'll put a hanger on the back, and oh, can you imagine this in your kid's room or grandchild? Oh, beautiful. And I just want to show you this one, which I'm just so proud of. This came out incredible. Look at this. I'm trying to decide how I would hang it. I almost feel like this is kind of my favorite way to view it. Let's see if I can put it up closer so you can see it. There we go. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Let me show you how it was when I was making this. Real slow, because I don't want this one to go on the floor. Ooh, so beautiful. Through the middle. Oh, this marble is so beautiful. Let's go out there a little more. Lift in here. And here it is finished. I just am in love with this one. I mean, the resin came out just stellar. There is not a pock mark on it. It came out just like glass. It's one of my favorite projects I've ever done. Let me go closer so you can get a load of the colors. Look at all the colors in it. Again, sorry for the glare, but that's what you get when you're trying to work from home in a home art studio. Look at that, amazing. Look at all the color. Love here, and here. Here, I love all of it. Look at that. Wow. That's it for today. And if you've been following on my journey and been supportive or purchased my items or left nice comments, I am really thankful for that. I really see in retirement as a time when you can really spend time on a hobby that you love. Like I said, leave a legacy for your grandchildren. That's what's important to me. And I'm just so proud of the work that I finished. This one of my favorite pieces ever. And I want to thank you for joining, and I'll see you in the next episode. Meanwhile, be brave, be courageous, try new things. Maybe try some new art form like this. You can do it. I'll see you later. Bye.
Shadows of this see you there, your feathers on the ground. Though you're earthbound, your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could afford. You're earthbound, even if you never flown before. Take a chance and try once more.